sometimes when you have a weird car, you end up having problems like little pieces of hose that break like this. It has a tiny hole in it, but I had to pull off this whole assembly because this clamp isn't a clamp. So now I have to take this off, rig up a tiny piece of hose, and use that until I can get this whole assembly, which is like 50 bucks. So last night when I got home, I used a cutoff wheel on a Dremel, cut this little metal strap. Didn't use anything more aggressive. I didn't want to take a chance on damaging the plastic here. And now I'm at a junkyard looking for a temporary replacement piece for this hose. Just needs to last a couple weeks. I'm ordering a replacement for this whole assembly, and I need to get the car home because right now it's at a Walmart parking lot. So here we go. Well, I think I found my donor. That fits perfect. Gets a little bit smaller here. The original, it gets smaller on the water pump side. So that's great. A little funny is it's a police car. It's a full police spec Impala. Looks like a 2013. It even has the plastic door panels and the pan still in place. I'm going to poke around this car, see if there's anything else interesting. Yeah, it looks like I got the hose I need. Alright, so we're back at Walmart, and I got this all back together. New clamps, hose fit perfect, everything's good. So we're all good. System's full. I've already burped the system and everything seems to be good. Ready to go home. So I guess that's it for now.